For this video, I'm going to show how to create a virtual machine image. So all I did was just create a Windows virtual machine and I connected to it. And port 80 is open and I installed IIS on it here. And so if you go to this in the File Explorer and you go to this address, you open up sysprep, keep it as that system out of box experience. You check generalize and you shutdown options, change it to shutdown. You click OK, and that'll get it configured to be able to create an image off of it. But one thing to know is that when you do create an image off of a virtual machine, that virtual machine is unusable anymore. And so something to note. So anyway, let's just click OK. It's going to do it. We'll come back. So it's done. It says your remote desktop services session has ended. Click OK. And it's gone. So you could, so now you should stop it. And then you also want to deallocate it. But I'll just do that, let's see. So it's a demo RG and it's named demo VM. Let's just do it through Cloud Shell. Oh god. Okay. I'll come back when it's ready. I keep on deleting it, but I should just leave Cloud Shell storage open. Alright, it's done. So I'm gonna just clear, and I'm gonna do this go stop AZVM. So it's gonna stop the virtual machine. So now we're gonna say, alright, which one? So let's give it the resource group name. It's demo RG, and then the name of the virtual machine is demo VM, and then I'm gonna add the force parameter. So that's gonna just deallocate it even after it stops it. And enter demo RG demo VM. Yeah, so I typed this stuff right. And it's running it, so I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so it's done, it succeeded. And you go back to the virtual machine, and you see it stopped, deallocated, and you click capture. So it's going to create an image from it. We want the same resource group. And you can pick yes or no if you want shared image gallery. Automatically delete this virtual machine after creating this image. So it says if you generalize virtual machine, no further actions on it are allowed. So we already did that. But you can select this to have the virtual machine delete it automatically once the image is created. If you do not generalize a VM, you can continue to use it as normal. So target image gallery, we'll create a new one. Actually no, let's just do no. And then you want to give, and here it says before creating an image, use generalize to prepare the Windows guest OS on the VM. If you create an image from a VM that hasn't been generalized, any VMs created from that image won't start. So basically you have to generalize. So if we do this, then we have to put in all this stuff. And I only want to do a managed image. So shared image gallery is a service that helps you build structure and organization around your managed images. You'll be able to replicate images globally, maintain versions and more. So it sounds cool and stuff, but I don't need it. So resilient snapshots and availability zone. Anyway, so we'll give it the name demo VM. And let's create it. And I'll come back when it's done. Alright, it's done. We could go to it here, demo VM images, or you could just type in the top images. You find it, and you can see the source is that. We could have called it whatever, but anyway, you click it and you can click create VM. And now we can create a virtual machine based off of this image. So you just, give it the name, demo 2, whatever. But you see it's using the image that we created. So you could do the rest of the stuff normally like you always do. And I'll come back. I'm allowed port 80 because it has IIS on the image, and we want to do that. Anyway, I'll come back after I do all that, and I'll show you. I'll verify that it works. Okay, it's ready. Let's go to it. So there's a new VM we created based off the image. Copy the public IP, and boom. So that's it. So that's how you could create a custom virtual machine image, or just the virtual machine image.